diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want that chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Welcome to Rootstones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
Now, if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today, guys, we're going to talk about Harmony 1. Price prediction. What is it? Should you buy this? So let's see. So here we have Harmony. Some of you will know this is quite an expensive coin. So currently, price is at about 15 cents with market cap about 1 billion. 1.8 billion. Now, if we 2x, it'll be 31 cents. 10x, $1.59. 20x will be $3.18, and 15x will be 100x. So, of course, the market cap at 2x will be about 3.7 billion. 10x will be about 18 billion. 20x will be about 37 billion, and of course, 100x will be 186 billion. So, of course, the closest match to about 186 billion would be Ethereum and Bitcoin, right? So, because Bitcoin have almost close to 1 trillion when the market cap was at about $3 trillion. So, it has potential, right? So, based on the social sentiment, the key matrix, of course, currently is 69.5 out of 100 based on LunarCrush. Alt rank 7 out of 3,585. Correlation rank about 3.8 out of 5. Now, if you can look at the social matrix, we have seen that is actually increasing across everything from engagement, dominance, contribution, sentiment. There's bullish and bearish, and also Shetlink is really high at about 1,500%. Twitter volume as well as Reddit. So they have a lot of things going up for them in terms of the social community. So the price prediction, of course, according to the technical charts, the value of Harmony will drop about 1.58% to reach about 15.64 by 3rd of March, according to the technical indicators. Now, the current sentiment, of course, is neutral, while the fear and greed is showing fear. So Harmony recorded about 14 out of 30 days, right? So that's about 47%, which is not too bad. And it's about 14.75 based on the price volatility of the last 30 days. Based on the Harmony forecast, it is a good time to buy. Again, guys, just it's not financial advice. You still have to do your own research, right? So what is one? So basically, Harmony is actually a blockchain created for decentralized application, which allows fast and secure transactions for its users. And the goal of the project is to provide clients with scalability and decentralization without having to compromise one for the other. So, of course, it's very important that you look at scalability. That means being able to expand fast based on the supply and demand and the growth, right? But at the same time, while maintaining decentralization. Now, the network, of course, validators has fairly pointed out that the goal for decentralized community as well as a main goal of the open governance for the community. So meaning that the goal for the network is to be open by the community and for the community. Now, this especially highlighted by the fact that they name their native token as one. So there's a very good value, a very strong value system that is tied to the name of the token. So the current price for one is 15 cents and is ranked 62 based on CoinGecko. So the total supply, of course, we are looking at about 13.1 billion. Circulating supply is about 11.7 billion. Market cap right now is at 1.8 billion. All-time high 37 cents. All-time low less than a penny. Current price 15 cents. So the question is, can Harmony actually break its all-time high? And if it does, it means that if you invest today at 15 cents, you'll be looking at almost a 1x. Current wallet holders, guys, is about 811,000. That's quite a substantial amount of wallet holders, taking into consideration the number of tokens we have covered recently, where they are doing about 20 to 40,000 wallet holders, right? So something to take note. It means that when the community actually rally, we can see that exponential market cap, which will have a correlation to the price action. So of course, the risk, of course, is in cryptocurrency, we know the volatility fluctuations can be risky. So if you're planning to hold some Harmony or AKA one, that you should keep in mind that it's most prone to any severe price swing than some of its established counterparts. So, of course, this is more for awareness rather than financial advice. So please seek financial advice. You gotta do your own research before investing in cryptocurrencies. Just a disclaimer: we have not yet, myself and Manish have not yet actually bought Harmony One, but it's worth something to consider. So, of course, you can get started with investing in crypto with little or basic knowledge, reduce your risk when going into crypto. And we are doing one video every day live. You can always connect with us on our, mostly we are all on every social media platform, as well as our Telegram group, which is a small growing community. So you can always find us there and join us. So that's all I have today. I'm going to hand over to Manish.
Yeah, thanks, Vince. I think the Harmony is actually a good project, and we have also covered in the past, and there's something that yes worth exploring.
Yep.
All right, so today there's some idea going to give you. Okay, no problem. 3 way to earn Bitcoin through the cloud mining and some staking. Probably you consider this, and later I'll show you how the cloud mining works, and also show you the calculator. Okay, so operational costs are high, but Bitcoin miners are making money hand over fast. Here, how join them and profit. So Bitcoin rapid recovery is already in process. You see that there was a market crash, and now the Bitcoin is recovering. So one of the side benefit, the Bitcoin mining is one of the few way that investors can acquire a BTC without directly purchasing it from the market, and it quickly becoming an industry dominated by big money interest that can afford the electricity cost and upkeep required to run a mining operation. So the options which I'm going to tell you now, you don't need to buy a rig, you don't need to physically be present, you can even monitor it from your phone. And because the mining node will be running on a cloud, you just need to access through your phone and see the benefit or the percentage you are going to mine. So Bitcoin mining is one of the few way that the investor can acquire BTC without directly purchasing it. So let's check that out, how the cloud mining contract works. The cloud mining industry has been around since Bitcoin early days, and it offers those interested in mining Bitcoin who lack the space, equipment, and electricity required an opportunity to outsource their production. So, some of more well-known companies that offered a cloud mining service include Genesis Mining and Hashnet, but demand of their services have exceeded their capability, resulting in all their Bitcoin mining contract being sold out. So, one option currently available that allow users more flexible regarding the parameters of their mining contract in Ecos, a company that grew out of the free economic zone located in Hazdan, Armenia, and has been operational since 2017. So let's check that out. Their calculator, I think you can see in your screen. This is the Bitcoin forecast, and the contract, if you're choosing for 50 month, this will be the service fee and then price. So with the investment of, I think, let me take you to the directly to the calculator in the website itself. Probably after this, once I explain all this, then I can give you a glimpse what is the amount you can make it, and what would be your investment. So probably this calculator screenshot looks a very old one, but now they have updated calculated in their website, which probably I will explain you. So as you can see by talking on this example, as you can see in above, there is a 50-month contract for 9 terahertz per second. Currently cost is 1668, and its project to result in a profit of 272.82% at a Bitcoin price of 70,000. This is what something that it was written earlier. Now the Bitcoin price is different, so we will check out the calculator later, and we explore how much will be our ROI if we are investing on this cloud mining. So it should be noted that all cloud mining services offer a warning about the high risk involved, and that no level of profit can be guaranteed. This could be due to a variety of circumstances, including fluctuating electricity price, Bitcoin price volatility, and advance in mining technology that lead to substantial increase in mining difficulties, which render older equipment obsolete. So, crypto lending service, more traditional options available for holders to acquire. That this is the second way to earn certain Bitcoin. I think the lending service is previously also I have covered it. It is something not only available for Bitcoin; it's also available for altcoins. But you can also explore it quite good rate when you are lending your Bitcoins on any of the exchanges. You will get a good returns. So, more traditional options available for the holders to acquire more Bitcoin by utilizing their current stack that does not require any further investments like a mining in through a lending service that offer a yield on deposits. So, Nexo and Celsius are the two of the most well-known lending platform that allow cryptocurrency users to borrow funds against their crypto holdings or earn rewards for a deposit. So, at the time of writing, the Celsius offer users an annual percentage yield of 6.2% for a Bitcoin deposit, and Nexo offers a standard return of 5% on a flexible term deposit, while fixed term deposit that
So we're
go a
looking at
minimum
27
of
million.
1 month can earn 6%. The third option is to provide users with the 4% return on a Bitcoin deposit to Blockify, a crypto asset service provider that offer interest account and crypto backed loans, and has also recently launched a Bitcoin reward credit card. The third way and the final way, which we are going to talk about, is on BTC from a centralized exchange. Several centralized exchanges also offer a Bitcoin holders to return on their BTC deposit at the lower rate that those mentioned above. Binance, the largest C in the crypto ecosystems, offer a user's estimated APY of 0.5%, while third ranked exchange Hobby offer 1.32%. So the best yield offered on a United States based CEX can be found on Gemini, where user can earn 1.65% on their deposits. KuCoin offer a more free market approach for the approach to BTC lending, where the lenders can set the parameters of loan terms, choosing between contract length of 7 days, 14 days, and 28 days, while getting to set their own daily interest rate to compete with the other lenders on the market. The lowest rate currently offered on a KuCoin is on annual rate of 1.82% on a several day contract. So as seen in the data provided, there are multiple ways to increase a Bitcoin stake as opposed to a simply buying on the open market, but they are becoming scarcer as time progress, with a large institution and energies companies and governments beginning to develop a Bitcoin mining infrastructure. Smaller market participants are increasing being squeezed, but out as a cloud mining facilities are unable to keep pace with the demand. So Bitcoin lending is increasing, looking like the main way Bitcoin holders will be able to earn a yield paid in BTC in futures, while Bitcoin backed loans offer a way to holders to access the value of their token without the need of sell and create taxable event. So let's check that out how this calculator works, so that you will get some glimpse on the earnings. So okay, so here is the calculator, guys. You can see here. Uh, Currently, I am putting investment of 150. Hope you are able to see now, 150 USD. So let's check that out with $1,000. Okay, so when you're investing $1,000 and your contract duration is for 24 months, and by keeping the BTC forecast of 90,000 US dollars. So yeah, in 24 months, probably definitely it'll go 90,000. So this is something that we were expecting it this year, but since the market crashed due to various reasons, so let's be optimistic, and in 24 months it will achieve 90,000 US dollars, which is easy, I would say that. So if with your $1,000 of investment, you will get 6.69 terahash per second, and this will be your earnings. Let me give you a bit details. A daily earning will be $3. Okay, monthly minings will be $100, and total mining will be 2,657. So it's almost more than it's like I would say that 3x, close to 3x of your money in 24 months. So even higher than a bank, guys. So this is something that worth trying. And it's not that you should invest $1,000. You can even go for $100 and just test this out, how the returns is coming over. So we are also going to test this out, and probably we'll create a how-to videos for this, and hopefully this how-to videos will be useful for you guys, and you'll be able to get some benefit, because I have seen in our channel the mining videos are doing really good. So there's one options which I can share with you guys as well. So that's all I have it for today,
Yep.
and let's check that out for the market
Yeah, thanks,
status.
Manish, for sharing that. So, of course, guys, I think what Manish shared also is very important because it's more than Anchor Protocol, which offers 20% per annum. This is about 80% per year. So, you might want to check it out. While we do our tests, do connect with us on the Telegram group because we will share our results. So, let's see what's happening over the market side of things. So, we know that currently there's still the tension between Ukraine and Russia. There's a lot of things that is coming in for March, at least for Q1. So of course, price is still the fear. I mean, in terms of Bitcoin, that actually dipped a few hours. I mean, a few days ago, actually recovered back in less than 24 hours because they were using Bitcoin to actually channel funds to Ukraine. So will that be something that they send? Policymakers will actually be looking to sanction certain things. It might be very difficult to actually do that because there's no central government that can actually control funds like this. So actually, funds are going to support the war that is happening right now. So looking at the fear and greed index right now, is still at 26. With what myself and Manish have always observed in the last 1 year trading in crypto, we always look to buy between this box, right? So between 10 and 20, when the fear index is around during that price, this is when we start to look at the technical charts of certain projects that we anticipate we want to buy. And when the price is actually going up, as you can see in certain months, right, from like 20 or 10, it starts to go up. This is where we start to take profits and we build our cash reserve, and we wait for the market to actually dip back down, maybe close to 20, between 20 and 10, and that's where we start to. So at either point of times, in terms of the bear and the bull, either we are making a lot of coins, buying at cheaper dollars, cheaper fire sale discount, or we are selling at the top to actually make the profit. So we have been wins and repeating that over a period of time, and if we have actually exponentially exploded our portfolio. So something that we can share with you guys. So and we also, if you are joining our Telegram group, sometimes we give you certain tips and that we are actually going into, because that you can make about 10 to 15%. Now the aim is always to make more than 15%, because 15% is the average across the world in terms of inflation. So you want to look for investments that actually crosses the 15% mark. So looking at today, of course, it's the weekend. We see some certain things that is bullish, but don't be fooled by this heat map, because underlining truth of the crypto, the entire market is actually down between 50 to 70%. So it's still at a discount, and you have to be very clear into which sector you'll be going in. So for us at Woodson, we always keep it at 50, 25, 25. So 50%, of course, will be premium coins. The other 25% will be more on trading coins that we always post sometimes in the our Instagram, or we will post in the Telegram. And the other 5% is mostly on gambling, right? So gambling meaning we do not know where a certain project, because they have so many risk factor, but we feel that it has a potential to at least go through the initial phase to actually raise capital to then reinvest that money back into creating the project to be matured, where it starts to move into utility and then is able to actually go into sustainability, where it can generate its own revenue as well as pay out investors, right? So that those are things that we look in terms of the milestone of a project. So of course the last 10 top 10 coin, of course, right now what is trending is Polkadot. We have Cosmos, Terra, Cream Finance, Harmony, which we covered today, Polkadot, Phantom, XRP, Anchor Protocol, Syscoin, and Waves. Now we have 17,000 cryptos, 450 exchanges, 1.7 trillion. So 200 billion came back in, just as how $200 billion can actually come out from the market in less than 24 hours. So don't be fooled by the current parameters. And of course, trading volume has dipped to 76 billion. Dominance, of course, we have about 60% taken by Bitcoin and Ethereum over the entire crypto market. So Bitcoin, of course, last 24 hours down by 0.37, Ethereum up by 2%, BNB down up by 1.7%, XRP up by 6%, Cardano up by 2%, Solana slightly up by 0.58%, Terra Luna up by 11%, Avalanche made it back to the 10th place, up by 3.82%. So that's all I have for the market today, guys. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section below or look us up in our Telegram group. So join us daily live on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, 11 p.m. Singapore time, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're based in the US. And if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So guys, do like so that more people can actually learn a bit about crypto. So I'm going to hand over back to Manish for the tweet of the day.
Yeah, so the latest tweet is coming from Cointelegraph. Decentralized automations organizations are instinct element of Web3, but can be difficult to understand. So this handy guides answer all the questions about DAO. So you can check that out if you are interested in a DAO, because in past few months we have also heavily invested in DAO and we had some learning. So this is something that very interesting article, and they have tweeted this in their blog post. Probably you can check that out. So that's all we have it for today, and see you guys tomorrow.
Take care, guys.
Take care, guys.
Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?